Hello, you beautiful Aquarians. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, The Journey Into You. If you are new here, then hello. My name is Tarusha Saxena, and welcome to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, you're going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings and also some fun and interesting pick a card readings, love readings, career readings, health readings, and so much more. So, my dear Aquarian, if these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my future videos. Now, disclaimers. Please note that all these readings are general readings and may not resonate with everybody. So, Aquarians, in case if this reading does not resonate with you, don't forget to check out my other zodiac love readings for your signs as per sun, moon, or rising, or the Venus signs. Also, please note that timing is fluid and these readings are timeless readings. So, you, my dear Aquarian, will come across this reading only when you are meant to watch this video, my dear Aquarian. So let's go ahead with your love reading, Aquarian. I have already pulled out piles of cards for you and also 4 messages for you, Aquarians. And now we'll go ahead with your reading, Aquarians. Let's see what's in store for my dear Aquarians. And by the way, you might hear some music in the background because these are love readings, and I just wanted to hear some nice, soft ballads, love ballads while I do these readings to just kind of like, stay in the music, stay in the mood. So let's just go ahead. Let's see what's in store for you. Ace of Cups. We start with the Ace of Cups, fulfillment of a heart's desire. Is there a relationship that you are wanting to start, Aquarian? Is there a person in your life who you really want to have a future with? You see a beautiful relationship with them? Then go ahead. It is the time for you to the fulfillment of your heart's wish. Or if you are in a relationship and if you wish to get married to that person, maybe possibility is that a beautiful beginning is on the cards. Just a second. Let me just mute my mobile phone. All right, moving on to the next one, the Page of Swords energy. The Page of Swords energy, your passion lies into this relationship. You're very passionate about this person or this relationship. You are very emotional about this person. You're very passionate about this person, and you can go to all the lengths to make things work with this person. Yes, something has been keeping you tied up, Aquarian. Something has been keeping you tied up. You have been really stressed off late. Is it that you're already in a relationship with somebody and you don't think that you are fit into that relationship and there is somebody else you're wanting to move on to? Or maybe, I don't know, but there is something stopping you to go ahead with this particular relationship. But I don't see any problems coming on in your way, Aquarians. Let's see what the cards have in store for you. Good news. 4 of rods for you, Aquarians. We have 4 of rods for you, Aquarians. So there is good news. There is definitely celebrations for you, Aquarians. So I do see a lot of merry, King of Wands, definitely. I mean, all these cards are coming out to be that, good news as per your cards with regard to this new relationship. Okay, this new relationship, I see a lot of stability. I see lot of stability in this relationship. This person is going to give you a lot of security, and in fact that security is going to be a feeling, a mutual feeling that you both are going to feel in this relationship. All right, the next card for you, wow, the Ace of Cups, Aquarians. Okay, it's romance written all over. Okay, it's romance written all over for you, Aquarians. Come on, guys, it's romance written all of you, all over the place on these cards. So in case if there is something which has been holding you back, Aquarians, then don't let it be, or don't stress about it, because that obstruction is going to go very soon with number 9. It's going to get over very soon for you, Aquarians. Now let's see what messages archangels have for you for this love relationship. Let's just see. The 6 of Ariels is telling you material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Acts of kindness, giving or receiving with a grateful heart. All right, material needs will be fulfilled for you, Aquarians. If at all you have any wishes, if you want to buy something, if you have been planning to buy something, whether it's a gadget, a dress, or anything that you have been wishing for. Through acts of kindness and unexpected ways, you're going to get those things. Giving and receiving with a grateful heart. You need to be grateful. Gratitude is something that you need to carry in your heart with you, Aquarians. Gratitude is something that you need to have. That is the feeling for you. It should come from you for whatever you will be receiving very, very soon. The next card is the Sun card. Aquarians, come on. Okay, this is new beginnings, my dear Aquarians. New beginnings. Okay, life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiration. Inspiring success. You are going to get successful, my dear Aquarians. If this is a relationship that you have been wanting, go ahead. If it is an existing relationship that you want to take to the next level, Aquarians, go ahead. The Sun is hinting, indicating, telling you, go ahead. It's time for new beginnings for you. And the last card for you, my dear Aquarians, is the Seven of Michael. There is a better course of action available to you. I think it's coming over here. Okay, there is a better course of action available to you. Working alone may not be the best answer. Review all the details. So tackling this situation in order to make your dream come true with this particular new relationship that you have been wanting to manifest in your life, you need to find alternate solutions of how to make things work with everybody's agreement to it. Okay, and or go ahead with it, and eventually people are going to be okay with it. Only thing is that don't hurt anybody while you're going ahead with this relationship. Just ensure that you are kind. Okay, because it has come over here, the acts of kindness. Okay, acts of kindness. So you need to be kind to people while you are going ahead against somebody's wishes to go ahead with this particular relationship, if at all that is the situation. I have some messages also for you, my dear Aquarians, and let's see what these messages. Connect with nature, Aquarius. So you need to connect with nature, Aquarians. Let's see the next message. Follow your passion. So if this relationship or this person is your passion, then you need to pursue them. You need to follow this particular relationship. You need to follow your heart. Follow your heart. Follow your passion. All right, follow your passion. New beginnings, Sun. Your passion is going to be successful. Let's see the lessons to be learned. All right, over here. Okay, in the acts of kindness, where some people are disagreeing and creating hindrances for you in order for you to go ahead with this new relationship. If somebody is creating an obstruction, you need to find an alternative way to handle those people. Make them okay or neutral with respect to this particular context or new relationship of yours through your act of kindness and understanding and empathy. And while you will do that, okay, there will be lessons for you to be learned. Okay, you will learn a lot and you are going to grow as a person while you do that. Also through this relationship, if you're manifesting this relationship, and this relationship is a karmic relationship, then there will be lessons for you that you will be learning in this relationship. All right, soulmate, Aquarians, this particular relationship that you are manifesting in this life, in over here right now, is a soulmate that you're attracting in your life right now. A soulmate written all over the place. And come on, I mean soulmate, and we have the King of Wands right in the center of the spread over here, and soulmate coming right on top of it. I mean, this person, this relationship is meant to be Aquarians. A soulmate connection coming through. Sun, there is new beginnings, there are celebrations, there is in case if you want to go ahead and you plan a marriage, it is time for you. Do go ahead with your plans of marriage, if at all that is what you are, if that is what you are wanting, my dear Aquarian. So All the best to you, Aquarians. If at all this reading resonates with you, this was your love reading, please do leave your comments in the comments section. I would love to read your comments. And also remember that these readings are general readings. If they do not resonate with you, Aquarians, do check out my other zodiac love readings as per your sun, your moon, your Venus, or the rising signs. And also remember that these are timeless readings and time is fluid. So this reading is meant for you whenever you come across this reading, irrespective of time, month, date, and year. All right, Aquarians, so do take care, stay home, and stay safe. I love you all. Mwah.